Hi everyone, we're excited to share with you our Advanced Plus program at Advanced One McKeever Real Estate. My name is David, this is Julie, and we're both brokers with the company.
In our 15 years of working with home sellers, we have learned that everyone's situation is unique. We work with a lot of local sellers, but we also work with a lot of people that live out of the area. It is our goal when we first meet with you to listen to your needs and your goals when it comes to selling your home and to be trusted advisors for you throughout the process.
So what the Advanced Plus program is we help you get your home ready for sale. We'll come in, make the necessary repairs, do some awesome updating and some upgrades really to make your home shine before we place it on the market. Now, Julie, we both know that the first 2 to 3 weeks that you put your home on the market is the most critical time that your home needs to look its best. And through our program, we help maximize the amount of buyers looking at your home.
Yes, if you have any questions about our Advanced Plus program and how it may benefit you in your situation, please feel free to give us a call. We also encourage you to visit our website where you can check out our success stories, see before and after documentation, and learn more about the program.
With our Advanced Plus program, we update the home, we sell it, and you profit. We thank you so much for watching today.